Adidas D.O.N issue number 7 returns with a bold new theme, drawing clear inspiration from Bruce Lee's iconic Game of Death outfit. While not an official collaboration with the Bruce Lee estate, as seen in the brand's previous project with Kareem Abdul-Jabbar, the influence is unmistakable. The sneaker features a vibrant yellow mesh upper contrasted by a black medial collar and tongue, directly echoing Lee's legendary jumpsuit. Red accents highlight the trim and branding, while a zip-up shroud and TPU heel preserve the model's futuristic basketball DNA. Underfoot, a carbon fiber midfoot plate and durable black outsole ensure peak performance. Though unofficial, this colorway pays homage to Lee's legacy and his lasting impact on martial arts and pop culture. Whether you're a fan of Donovan Mitchell, Bruce Lee, or both, this edition of the D.O.N issue number 7 delivers strong crossover appeal. Expect it to drop soon, though official release details remain unconfirmed.